Understanding accuracy and precision in remote sensing. Imagine you're working with maps or satellite images, tracking forests or measuring city growth. In all this, you'll hear two words a lot: accuracy and precision. And here's the key: they're not the same thing. Let's break it down with a simple analogy. Think about throwing darts. If you hit the bullseye, boom, that's accuracy. In remote sensing or GIS, accuracy means your data points match up with what's really out there. If your GPS marks a spot where it should be, that's high accuracy. Now what if all your darts land together, but not on the bullseye? That's precision. Precision is all about consistency. For example, if you're measuring a mountain's height and your GPS gives you 1050 meters every time, but the real height is 1000 meters, you're precise but not accurate. If your readings jump around 980, 1020, 995, then you're neither accurate nor precise. But if you get 999, 1000, and 1001 meters, you've nailed both. In the real world, the best data is both accurate and precise, close to the truth and repeatable. But sometimes you might have to choose. For example, if your tracking changes over time, being precise might matter more than perfect accuracy. So to sum it up, accuracy means close to the truth, precision means consistent every time, and the best results? When your data is both. Let's become data wizards, making our measurements accurate and precise,